Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Submission on Agriculture Extension. What is the key objective of this scheme? The key objective of the scheme is to create farmer advisory committees, forming farmer organization and extension services to farmer and extension workers, training of farmers, farm schools, exposure visits and crop demonstration on new technologies at the state, district, block level. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Training and capacity building, exposure visit, farm school, demonstrations, farmer's friend, etc. Who can apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the block technology managers of the concerned CNRD blocks, project director, ATMA of concerned districts, subdivisional agricultural officer of the concerned subdivisions, district agriculture officers of the concerned districts. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on a first-come, first-served basis.